In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Wrike dashboard link. We'll walk through this step by step so that by the end, you'll know exactly how to open your dashboard, access the sharing options, and generate a shareable link you can send to your team or stakeholders. First, open Wrike and navigate to your workspace. From there, go to your project's dashboard. This is usually found in the dashboard section in the left-hand navigation menu. Make sure you're on the specific dashboard you actually want to share, because the link you create will be tied to this exact view. Once your project's dashboard is open, look for the Share option near the top of the screen, typically in the header area of the dashboard. Click on Share. This is what opens the panel where you can manage who has access and how they can view or interact with your dashboard. In the Sharing panel, you'll see a few different areas that might be highlighted in the interface. These usually represent options like choosing specific users or teams, adjusting permissions, or enabling a link that you can copy. Follow the highlighted areas in your view. Click on the fields or toggles that let you turn on link sharing or adjust who the dashboard is shared with. As you click through these highlighted options, Wrike may prompt you to confirm certain settings, such as whether people can only view the dashboard or also modify it. Take a moment here to choose the level of access that makes sense. For example, if you're sharing this dashboard with stakeholders who just need visibility, a view-only permission is usually ideal. Continue clicking through the highlighted controls to finalize your sharing settings. When you see a button labeled Continue, go ahead and click on it. This usually confirms your choices and moves you to the final stage of link sharing. Next, look for the area where Wrike provides a direct dashboard link. It will often be indicated or highlighted within the sharing panel. Click on that section to generate or reveal the shareable link. Then, click on the option that copies the link to your clipboard. Once you've copied the link, you're ready to share it. You can paste it into an email, a chat message, or any collaboration tool your team uses. Anyone with the appropriate permissions will now be able to open that exact project's dashboard with the settings you just configured.